And we are going to go to Snapseed, press the plus button, and we're going to open from device. And we're going to go through our camera to pick out the picture that we want to work with. And there's my picture. Now I'm going to go to Tools, Tune Image, and I'm going to start with brightness and adjust my brightness. I'm going to adjust that down. Then I'm going to go to contrast. I'm going to adjust that up just a little bit. I'm going to go to saturation, adjust that way up. Ambience, going to take that up as well. Next is highlights, going to bring those down. And shadows, going to bring those up. And finally warmth, going to make it a little bit warmer. And click check. Go back to tools. Now we're going to go to HDRscape. And we're going to go to fine. And we're going to bring this filter strength way down on HDR to about +10. Click OK. Back to tools. Now we're going to go to details. Structure, take structure up. And we're going to go to sharpening. Take sharpening up. Click the check mark. Back to tools, over to vignette. We're going to bring outer brightness down, and then we're going to bring inner brightness up. Check. Now we're going to go back to tools, do another final adjustment on brightness. Take it up just a little bit, and contrast, bring it up just a little bit. Saturation, just up a little bit more. Ambience, bring it up more. Highlights, bring them down. Shadows, bring them up. And warmth, bring it up. And that is our completed image for Instagram. Export, create a copy. And let's look at our before and after. Okay, let's work on this one. Again, we're going to go to Tools, Tune Image. Brightness goes up a little bit. Contrast goes up a little bit. Saturation goes up. Ambience goes up. Highlights come down. Shadows come up. And warmth comes up. Click to check. Tools. Now we're going to go to HDRscape. Bring the filter strength down. We're going to bring the brightness up, and we're going to again bring the saturation up. Click OK. Tools, details, structure, we're going to bring that way up. Sharpening, going to bring that way up. OK. Tools, vignette. Outer brightness down, inner brightness up. Okay, and let's look at the before and after for that picture.